A survey conducted across India showed that voters were dissatisfied with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's handling of the COVID-19 crisis. This is the first time in 7 years that the survey showed a dip in approval ratings for the Modi government. As per ABP Voter, Modi 2.0 report card, the biggest failure is the handling of the corona crisis, with 41.1% of respondents saying so. The fieldwork was done between January 1st and May 28, and the sample size was 1.39 lakh, with the samples spread across 543 Lok Sabha seats. In another shock to Modi-led central government, more than half, or 52.3%, said that government help did not reach them during the lockdown. Besides, voters are also unhappy with the poll campaign during the second wave of the pandemic. 60.8% voters think that the assembly polls in 5 states, UT and Panchayat polls in Uttar Pradesh should have been postponed. To a question on do you think it was appropriate for Prime Minister to participate in the poll campaign and address election rallies during the second wave of the pandemic in the country, a massive 59.7% said as Prime Minister of the country, Modi's participation in the election campaign was wrong. India on Thursday reported 1,73,790 new COVID-19 cases as 3,617 more patients succumbed to the coronavirus in the last 24 hours, Union Health and Family Welfare Ministry said. India's overall tally of COVID-19 cases now stands at 2,77,29,247. with 22,28,724 active cases and 3,22,512 deaths so far.
जहां 7 मई को देश में 4,14,000 केस रिपोर्ट हुए थे, वह 5 दिन बाद घटते घटते 3,48,000 केसेस और उसके 5 दिन बाद 3 लाख से भी कम होते हुए 2,81,000 डेली केसेस तक हम पहुंच पाए थे। और आज अगर हम देखें 27 तारीख को तो देश में 2,11,000 के करीब केसेस रिपोर्ट हुए हैं। यह अगर एक और डेटा हम देखें तो पाते हैं कि 25 मई को देश में पिछले कुछ दिनों के अनुपात में देखें तो सबसे कम केसेस यानी कि 1,96,000 केसेस रिपोर्ट हुए हैं और 17 मई से कंटिन्यूड बेसिस पर हमारे देश में 3 लाख से कम केसेस रिपोर्ट हो रहे हैं। यह एक पॉजिटिव डेवलपमेंट है। जरूरत है कि इसको हम कंटिन्यूड बेसिस पर मॉनिटर करते रहें।